Want to make sure your Wix site looks great on phones? In this video, I'll walk you through how to edit and optimize the mobile version of your site using the Wix editor, step by step. First, let's switch into mobile view. In the Wix editor, look at the top bar. Click the little mobile icon next to the desktop icon. This opens up your mobile site view, where you can make edits that only affect the mobile version without changing the desktop layout. Let's start with the top section. We'll left align everything so it's easier to read on mobile. Then we'll shrink the section height and vertically center the content. This keeps the layout clean and balanced. Next, on this strip, I'll make the headline text larger so it stands out more. At the same time, I'll reduce the paragraph size to keep it compact and easy to scroll through. Sometimes certain elements just aren't needed on mobile, like this Read More button. It clutters the layout, so let's hide it. Once hidden, it disappears from the mobile view but still shows up on desktop and tablet. If you ever want to bring it back, open the Hide and Show panel here on the left. You'll see a list of everything hidden. Just click the eye icon to unhide. You can also add elements just for mobile. Let's say I want to add an image here, only for mobile users. Now, this image is visible on mobile, but we don't want it cluttering the desktop version. Just like that, this image will only appear on mobile, perfect for creating layouts that feel tailored to smaller screens. And that's how you customize your Wix site for mobile. Clean, simple, and fully under your control. Want a shortcut? Check out our collection of fully mobile optimized templates at buywixtemplates.com, ready to launch and easy to edit.